Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The ancient house of Li Tunfang is located in Taoyuan County's Dashi town. The house boasts many wooden carvings of flowers, plants, and animals. There's also a fish pond shaped like a half moon. In the ancient Chinese system of placement called feng shui, water represents fortune and is lucky.
位于桃园县大溪镇的李腾芳古宅是2级古迹，也是大溪最具代表性的住宅。李宅内的木雕不仅数量多，各类花草鸟兽雕工细致，展现极高的艺术水准。李宅院门外有一个半月堂，象征聚财，并有取水、养鱼或休闲的功能。All right, folks, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我係李友煌。
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And we just talked about Taoyuan and a very famous place in Taoyuan called Daxi. Let's teach people how to say Daxi.
胎海。
胎海啊，
对，
听起来是一片海哎，
不是海
哦，它是溪哦，溪是海呀，
对，但是海的发音就叫 hoi。
哦，如果是海的话是 hoi，
嘿，对，胎 hoi。
Because this place is actually literally, if you translate it, it's a big river, all right? And in Chinese and Mandarin, it sounds like big ocean when Leo said it. All right, what's really famous, of course, in 大溪，不管有没有去过大溪的这个听众朋友们都知道，大溪很出名的东西就是大溪豆干。
没错，
所以是胎海
豆腐干。
哦，豆腐干那样子吗？
对，豆腐干。
哦，所以胎海豆腐干。Okay, that is Daxi's bean curds. You gotta go try it out. 然后听说那边的还有一个东西叫做月光饼，是不是啊？
月光饼。
月光饼，这月饼有什么不一样？
其实同樣，因為佢叫做圓嘅。
哦，也是圓的。
不過就差啲嘅地杯包嘅東西冇同樣，地杯包嘅番薯老糖去切嘅。
番薯我聽得懂，一定是番薯嘛，對不對？
對。
哦，所以裡面是包着番薯，還有什麼？
还有加糖
在里面 So it's actually very similar to a mooncake, except it contains different things inside. It has yam and sugar inside. Let's go ahead and review some of those terms. If you go to Taoyuan and go to Daxi, you can practice your Hakka over there right now. 要去桃园大溪，大溪是
胎海。
And if you go there, you should try out their 豆干、
豆腐干。
豆腐干, that's the bean curds. And finally, try out the special delicacy they have right there called Hakka mooncakes. 月光饼. So there you have it. That's today's talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.